Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly check whether your Windows 11 computer is using an ARM64 processor or an x64 64-bit processor. It only takes a few seconds and no extra software is required. First, open the Settings app. You can do this by pressing Windows +I on your keyboard or by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings. In the Settings window, make sure System is selected from the left-hand menu. Then scroll down and click About. On the About page, look for the Device Specification section. Find the System Type entry. This is where Windows tells you what type of processor your device is using. If you see 64-bit operating system, x64 base processor, your computer has an x64 64-bit processor. If you see 64-bit operating system, ARM-based processor, your computer has an ARM64 processor. Why this matters? Knowing your processor type is useful when downloading software, drivers, or apps because some programs have separate versions for x64 and ARM64 devices. Installing the correct version helps ensure the best compatibility and performance. That's it. That's how you can check whether your Windows 11 PC uses an ARM64 processor or an x64 processor. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.